Wow. Oh, it's here?
Đâu phải mà let's.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, it left us. आज हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट एडवांस रोबो टैक्सीज AI ड्रिवन टैक्सीज ऑन द रोड्स ऑफ सैन फ्रांसिस्को, जिसको अप्रूवल मिल गई है इवन फॉर फ्रीवेज at a speed max of 65 miles an hour, almost around 100 kilometers an hour. अब से no footpath cases. मिल मेरे को कई बार. दोस्तों मैं हूँ once again सैन फ्रांसिस्को के कोर एरिया में. दिस इज यूनियन स्क्वायर एंड टुडे वी गोइंग टू टेक द ड्राइवरलेस कैब इन सैन फ्रांसिस्को कॉल्ड वेमो. यहाँ पे पहले क्रूज कैब थी. आई टुक क्रूज कैब इन ऑस्टिन टेक्सास एज वेल, बट इट गॉट बैन्ड फ्रॉम द सिटी बिकॉज दैट कैब, ड्राइवरलेस कैब, ड्रैग्ड अ पर्सन फॉर अ ब्लॉक. और बाद में फुटेज भी पब्लिक ने की ऑफ व्हाई दैट हैपेंड. इट ब्लेम्ड ऑन समवन एल्स. ऑब्वियसली दैट वाज ओके, बट they didn't admit their fault or they fought with the city of San Francisco, so they banned cruise. But there's another driverless company called Waymo, which we're going to try today, and soon it might make it to the highways too. So we prediction hai highways ke liye I'll be scared because like accidents are deadly in highways. But let's try the city experience of Waymo car. So it's such a beautiful day in San Francisco. Oh, it's here?
Đâu phải mà let's.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh, it left us. No, it's going so fast.
Okay.
So it's at the corner. Such a beautiful day, yaar. And the views are so beautiful. Oh, and how much is the wait time? How much they wait?
I don't know. Because I drive with 4 hours.
Oh, no. It's leaving us. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's running. Wait. Hello, please wait. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, come on. Oh. It's Bluetooth, right?
I don't know how to
Okay.
drive it, but yeah. Confirm pickup.
Confirm pickup.
No, I don't know how it's open.
It's blocking the road.
That's our, yeah. It's our, but
Okay. Driverless taxi, yes. Confirm pickup.
fine.
Arriving. Options.
can-
You can update. Yeah, I think that's right. Options.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Options.
Confirm. Yeah, that's right. Confirm. And then update trip. And
Update where you find.
One eternity later.
on the way, 2 minutes away. Hopefully we can catch it this time with Bluetooth. Okay, so dosto, one more time. Okay, the car parked behind us. It parked there. Okay, we should go it. Okay. It's there. This time I hope it doesn't run away. छोड़ के ना चले जाए. So, phone, yeah, everything, number plate, everything matches.
Make a video. Unlock.
Oh, unlock button is here. Yes. Okay, let's open it. Oh, wow. So handle comes out. Amazing. Okay, it says the name. Good evening, Alex. Because there's a wait list, so only Alex is in the wait list. Okay, wait. I need to buckle up. Seat belt. I think everyone needs to wear seat belt, right? Oh, the flashing light is already on. That is so cool. Ready? Okay. Oh, thank you. So let's start the trip.
From Waymo.
Oh, you can.
As we get going,
Oh.
give us one
It's going pretty fast.
minute. This experience
Wow.
may feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always.
Oh.
So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with little ones or expecting,
Tarzan.
we'll do all the driving. So please don't touch the steering wheel or
It just randomly changes lanes. There was no need to.
secure your families. Check on riders, improve our
It's going
content,
here in this lane, but we are going straight. Just randomly changes lanes.
connected to rider support.
There was no need to change this
Get your
lane.
heart
Oh.
out. We can't hear you.
Oh, wow. It is so amazing, right?
To a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car.
And would you be comfortable if it goes on freeway or no? Highway.
Rider support will will connect with you.
I'm not sure if it goes on how.
No, it's almost going to be approved. I saw the news. Would you be scared on freeway?
Let's do it. Yeah.
That's another.
Yeah.
That's another Waymo. That's pretty incredible. And we can adjust the temperature. So let's see what options we have here. So you can change the temperature. You have these drive controls. They haven't blocked these controls. I'm surprised. But I'll be scared to change them. I don't know about these options. Display arriving in 17 minutes, 6:52 p.m. And is there a screen behind too?
Yes. Yeah. We have a screen here. The
Oh.
same. It doubles information.
Oh, double. Same screen here. Oh, nice. So we are taking this right turn now, and we are not on the rightmost lane. I don't know how it's gonna turn. It should be on this lane. Let's see. Right? It should be on this. It says we are going to turn right, but it should be on this lane, not this one.
Well,
I'll find out.
it is two rights, like 2 lanes only right.
Oh, so 2 lanes can turn right here.
2 lanes must turn right.
Oh, okay. So these two, so both lanes can turn right. Okay.
Yes, they must.
They must.
They
Okay.
must turn.
Okay. Wow. This is the future. Yeah, Tesla is also releasing their robotaxi. Tesla is saying their highest priority is not Tesla Model 2. They don't want to invest into cheaper car, but robotaxi first.
Oh, you're asking how is arriving in 15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes, yes.
And I told you it's about like maybe 5, maybe 12, 20 minutes.
Yeah,
Because it's downtown San Francisco.
It's very cool. And let's see, we have controls to windows. Yeah, I'll be scared to touch that side. Yeah, right? They can.
Yeah.
It's got a Jaguar.
Jaguar. It's really Jaguar?
Yeah, it's Jaguar.
Yeah, but with Cruise, the car I've seen, the Cruise, they just block this side. They just block, but like this is very open. It allows you to sit on the front seat maybe. It has accelerator, it has everything you need. So if there's an emergency, I think a driver can come and help, probably. Oh, but someone honked us. People are so surprised. People are taking so many photos, they are amazed. It's very amazing because I've been in Austin, but that only works in the night, 8 p.m. onwards. But now it's working in the day in so much traffic. It's so cool. एंड कैन यू इमेजिन दोस्तों, एक टाइम आएगा जब आप अपनी टेस्ला को, गराज में पड़ी हुई टेस्ला को आप टैक्सी बनाकर रोड पे भेज सकते हो. यू कैन लिटरली यूज योर टेस्ला for a taxi and earn money through it. That is the future Elon Musk is predicting. What do you think about it? But I don't rely much on Tesla because it does not have LiDAR sensor. It is so slow with this car. There's so much gap now. It was allowing that car in case it merges. There's so many people here and it did not turn left. It was turning left. You saw there were so many people, it did not turn left. Now it's going to turn left from the next side. Right?
Yeah.
That's why it's slow. It is scared of people. And
Yeah.
it did not. It was about to turn left, and it did not.
Yeah, check. They see all the car around.
Yeah, it sees every car. The bus too. The bus is also.
And people.
Yeah, people too. Yeah, it has so many LiDAR sensors above, so that's why you cannot see above. It's not transparent.
It's a glass.
A glass, but you cannot see up, right? Because there are sensors above it.
Yeah.
They have a huge sensor
huge
above it.
sensor.
Yeah.
I can see this guy here.
Oh yeah, right over there. And they have live music. I can change the music. Yeah. Okay. Let's go straight. Catches up with speed quickly. That car is so close by. Yeah, it is safe. It'll slowly get much better. Yeah, the difference between Tesla and this is that Tesla does not have LiDAR sensors. It's just vision. But this has vision, LiDAR sensors, so it's safer. we have a blocker. So this car is blocking the road, but it made it. Wow. It overtook and it's very nice. Okay, now this car is blocking our road too. It's green light, but we're gonna make it again. Oh, it should slow down here. Oh my god. That was scary. Okay, now we're turning left again. Last time it did not turn left because there were so many people. This time there are not many people, so it should turn left. Yeah, but next time if you get opportunity, that'll be amazing too. Yeah, I'm okay to pay as well. Wow, now there are people. It's being careful. Okay, so let's see how it takes to left turn. Oh, it made it. Around people too. Amazing. Yeah, it detects all the cars on the road. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, all four lanes here. And I can stop at any point with the pull over button. Yeah, this car makes us think about the future. No parking, no accidents. Ab se no footpath cases. No drink and drive. So yeah, no time spent in servicing your car, maintaining your car. No need to buy a car.
No garage.
No garage.
No insurance.
No, sorry.
No insurance.
No insurance. Yeah.
Car insurance.
No car insurance. The future is almost there. It'll be so amazing. Don't forget anything. The only challenge is if you forgot anything.
The doors will remain locked when we arrive.
Oh.
Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks. The second opens the door.
Oh. So you have to pull out twice. Oh. For safety. Wow. The only thing is if you forgot anything, it's very difficult. With Uber, you can get in touch with the driver, but with this car, going through support to get something back, very difficult. And it's electric, right? This car?
Electric.
It's electric. Oh. I think it is electric. If you see, there's a charge. So this is an electric car. Oh, it has 110 miles left. This is EV. Yeah, here's the manual. It's green. It's EV, and if you have a kid, bring kids' seats separately. With kids, it's difficult. Belt use for pregnant riders. Call on helpful humans. There's call support. Tell us about your ride. And it's EV. It's 110 miles battery left. It has already completed 7,500 miles. Wow. So it has successful for almost 10,000 miles. Wow. It's amazing.
I like watch people on the street here.
Oh wow, I can see people on the street here, train going. It can detect train too. It's very cool. Yeah, we arrived. Now there is not enough space for parallel parking. Okay, let's see how it does parallel parking. Oh, so we have almost reached. Oh, pulled over. Okay, so it's blocking the street.
Okay.
Okay, let's leave. It blocked the street. It couldn't parallel park.
I'm okay.
Okay, I didn't leave anything. Thank you. Amazing. Future is here. Wow. Bye. Let's see. Hopefully, didn't leave anything. Yeah, scan for emergency and yeah, amazing experience. Jaguar. Bye. Amazing. Wow, it's so beautiful. The Bay Bridge to Berkeley.
Yes.
So now we are coming to the Bay Bridge view. यहाँ पे there is a bow and arrow, तीर कमान. ये बना हुआ है. The significance is that they don't want you to construct more buildings. Yeah. Hi. So you work here?
Huh?
You work here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, nice. How's the experience?
Amazing. It's nice view. It's nice to be here. No, what about you?
Yeah, good too. I mean, I came to visit for a week. It's amazing. Yeah. So you work in tech industry too? Oh, nice. Yeah. Amazing. Best experience here? Like, what's the best part of living here?
I do like the community. I think it's wonderful to be amongst the people. It's just nice to be here. There's a lot of restaurants.
Oh, but do you agree San Jose is called Man Jose? Is it true?
One such type of car.
You never heard?
But yeah, it's nice.
Okay, thank you. Very nice. So this is bow and arrow symbol कि यहाँ पे और buildings नहीं बननी चाहिए because the city is maybe overwhelmed with so many buildings that they want to regulate it. बहुत beautiful लग रहा है ये. And everything has a significance here. And those are the ferries जो Bay Bridge and Golden Gate Bridge के आसपास जाती हैं around like $5 to $10.